Hello! So we're at another weekend vlog. I am currently at Lowe's. This whole vlog is gonna cover me redoing our guest bathroom and then like whatever else happens in between. So let's get started. I'm gonna have to bring back some blinds. My mom came a couple weekends ago and we were putting up blinds, like new ones, because the ones that we have, once I got our walls painted from gray to white, they were like super yellow. So I decided that we needed to get some white blinds. So, but the brackets that they have are different, so I have to first return them to Lowe's, and then I have to get a shower rod for our guest bathroom because they didn't have a shower rod. Like, what bathroom doesn't come with a shower rod? And then I have to get a small planter. I think that's all I'm getting from here. We're gonna go to a couple stores, so starting with the shower rod, that's like our most important thing. All right, let's do it. Lowe's. So they have different kinds of shower rods. They have one that claims to give you 6.5 inches more. And then there's regular tension ones. This one's like more of a permanent solution. This one you can take down. But now I don't know. I want black. And they don't have the curved one in black, but I would like 6.5 more inches in shower space. And there's only like a $7 difference, so. Hey, Mom. I'm at, So I just picked up my outlet covers. I would say out of all the little tweaks that I've done to our house, changing the color of our, oh, come on, focus. Changing the color of our outlet covers has really helped. Okay, so that was semi-successful. I feel like I did have another thing on my list, which is a small plant for the bathroom. I need to probably look up plants that can live in a bathroom because most of the plants wanted light or like medium light or half shade medium light, whatever. So all of the plants that were in there, they did not have a good array of them. I feel like this is just like not the time to be buying plants in the first place. I'm trying to find my sunglasses. I hope I didn't lose them. That would be sad. Oh, they're in my pocket, yay. So I feel like I got cut off earlier. What I was saying about outlet covers, like that is the one piece. Outlet covers and doorknobs. Like I have gone crazy around the house changing out all of our outlet covers, and I think that I wouldn't have noticed them as much had they not been like this weird brown wooden like country kitchen vibe. Like they're not square. They have like all these weird shapes. I'll insert a picture like somewhere in here. So I feel like I noticed them like right off the bat. I was like, these have got to go. But it's made a huge difference. So if you're looking to kind of change something in your bathroom, in your hallway or wherever, like try changing out outlet covers or light switch covers. It really helps. So next we're gonna go really quick to Goodwill. I'm gonna see if I can find some work sweaters. If you'd watched my Boston packing video, I had mentioned that I find some of my skirts and stuff from Goodwill, but I've also found sweaters. So I'm gonna run in there really quick and see if we can find a couple of those, just because I've just noticed that like the transition like wasn't happening to wintertime work fashion. So, all right, let's go. I find it so funny how like home ownership has really changed my shopping habits. Like you will not catch me in a Lowe's. Like there's been times that I've been in Lowe's on a Friday night at like 9:30, just like my little shopping cart, like getting it. Like it's just wild. All these new things I have to learn, all this new stuff, like these new stores. It's like not like super dramatic, but to me it's like really interesting. I'm like becoming like a little homeowner. I feel like I'm like, you know, Bob the Builder. I swear like the weather this time of year in DC is just like out of control. Like DC, Maryland, and Virginia. Like you never know what day you're getting. Like right now it's really nice. It was raining this morning and disgusting. I'm happy though because Paul is currently shooting a engagement video for a couple, and I was so sad that it was like raining and gloomy, but now it's actually really nice. Regardless, it's gonna be cold, but at least it will be sunny and good for photos. Oh. Okay guys, so we're back in. Had a little bit of success, was able to get 2 sweaters, so that was fine. But my biggest prize was this massive painting, so we'll see how I'm gonna get it into my car. I'm confident that I can do it. And I'll show it to you guys before I put it in there. Looking at, you guys know I love travel. It is a massive map. It is huge. It's probably about 4 feet tall. We'll see. That was a fail. Tried, really tried. My car surprises me, so I always try things when I find them. I'm like, it might be able to get in there. I drive like a two-door, but it's pretty good. Sometimes I can get some stuff in there. Today just wasn't the day. So, we're gonna move on. We're gonna move on. No failures here. Just small half wins. Okie dokie, so got a little snack. This is like my secret like go-to, oh my goodness, yes, like I need it. So I'm about to go grab some coffee now. I'm gonna go to Dunkin' because it's on the way. And then Target. So just wanted to film $1. Blew a small bag because I was like, okay, but I'm buying all the toiletry stuff for the bathroom, and I ended up getting like new bathroom rugs and stuff like that. Just like cheap little things for now. And like toilet paper, tissues. I'll show you everything that I get when I go home. So Target, coffee, then Target. It is way over there. I never park this far, but my goodness, you should see it. It's like Christmas shopping out there. I couldn't even go close. I was like, there's people everywhere. I'm never gonna get out of here. So we're parking this far. All right, so I was taken hostage at first by the dollar section. So much Christmas stuff. But I'm trying to have like our first like adulty looking Christmas. Usually I'm down with like tacky Christmas, but I think I want to change up the style. So I got a whole bunch of stuff. But now we're finally here to where I'm supposed to be, which is the towels. Ooh, hair. So, small update. Been in here for about an hour. Need to leave. Oh my goodness. So of course I have like all of this stuff and I'm in line, and like I have so much stuff, like so much stuff. There was nobody else in line behind me. So I was like, okay, cool, I'm not holding anybody up. She was ringing me up and the whole line gets like super long. And then I go to swipe my card and Wells Fargo decides to, you know, enhance that fraud protection and is declining all of my things. Well, it didn't say it declined, it said unable to accept. And I was like, what the heck? Like I just sat here waiting for this lady to like ring up all my stuff, which took like a solid, like, I don't even know, like 7 to 10 minutes because it was just a lot of stuff. And then I get to it and there's all these people in line, kids are crying. It's like typical sitcom, like, oh, like card declined, like unable to accept. And I was just like, you know what? You know what? So finally, Wells Fargo's text me and it's like, is this you, low-key? And I'm like, what? Yes, like I'm trying to spend over $200. Yes, that is me. I am the one. I love banks. Like they try to protect you, but my goodness. Come on. IKEA. Oh, I love this. How pretty is this? All right, so I was in IKEA way longer than I planned to, but I got a couple of things. I finally got the plant. I was looking for some little like Christmas candle holder things. They didn't have that. The line was insane, so I'm glad I made it out. It's time to go home.
Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for it.
I think the first thing I'm gonna do is just put up this shower rod. Like that's gonna be like the biggest fight. It's called the Never Rest for Life decorative aluminum shower rod. I guess Xena Home is the brand. And I got it in bronze, although it kind of looks black, so I'm glad it looks black.
Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go until the morning glow. We can go higher and higher. Before I was found, I felt like I could drain the ocean. Before I was found, I didn't want to breathe out. And my soul needs a sound loud enough to quiet the thunder. The love with no doubt. And now I'm never gonna slow down. Never gonna slow down.
Okay, well my camera died, so I couldn't show you what I just did, but basically I just took my drill bit, ta-da, drilled holes in the wall, and then put the anchors in like the instructions said. Oh well.